And I'm shaking the wig, and as you guys can see, it is not going anywhere at all. This wig is very stable. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I will be showing you guys how I installed this beautiful kinky lace wig from Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever, for sending me this hair and also sponsoring this video. So if you guys are new here and if you don't know me, I am Kesley. It's so nice to meet you. It's so nice to have you here. I am a 23-year-old full-time content creator. I just graduated college about a month ago, and I desire to take this very seriously and make this into a business, and so it really helped me out so much if you leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. But without further ado, let's just hop into this video. Okay, so in order to install this wig, I have to braid up my thick hair. I won't be doing cornrows. I'll be doing thick doodle braids all over my head. I just finished washing my hair. I have high porosity hair, so my hair gets dry super fast. This is my hair with no products at all, and so in order to moisturize my hair, I have a moisture routine, so definitely click up here. I'm going to moisturize my hair and put it in doodle braids, and I'll take you guys along that process. This video won't be too long because all you're going to do is literally braid down your hair and throw on a wig. It's 2026, and if you don't have moisturized hair under your protective styles, you are doing it wrong. I ran out of my favorite leave-in conditioner, so I kept it simple and just used water and shea butter for my braid. I seal everything in with my favorite oil, and of course, you cannot forget about the edges. Alrighty, my afro, my beautiful hair is sadly tamed. She's in braids currently, as you guys just seen. I just did my moisture routine. As I stated earlier, I don't have no more of my favorite leave-in, so we use our shea butter plus the water. Now let's get into the installation process. This Glueless wig came in the cutest little handbag, and I love that it comes in a silk drawstring bag to keep the hair protected. Yeah, when I tell y'all the hair felt so soft straight out the bag. I love how this lace lays flat without using any glue at all. It also came with an edge band and a wig cap, which is always a plus. The lace already mimicked my skin tone, but for extra clarity, I just lightly tinted it with my e.l.f. powder. Installing this wig was literally a throw on and go situation. I just put it on and secured it with the attached clip that it comes with. I also wanted edges for this look, so I cut a few pieces from the hairline and I used the edge control to sleek them down. This was one of my first time really trying out lace wigs, so if this is not up to your standard, drop some tips in the comments to help a sister out. I sprayed the hair with water and I added mousse to define the curls. I laid my edges and let them sit for about 10 minutes, and this is how she turned out. Let me know how y'all feel about this style. I did a little layering, which I'm still learning, but this is just a simple, cute look that anyone could achieve. I even tried another style the next day, and I really love that this wig came in a silk bag because, like I said, it keeps the curls soft, and I love that the drawstring, it makes it easy to tighten and get that perfect fit. Okay, 10 minutes have passed and my hair is now set. So let's take her off. This is the hairstyle. How do you guys like the hairstyle? I really love it, but it's still a bit wet, so I'm going to go sit under my dryer now. You can use a diffuser for this part just so the drying process can go by quicker, but I don't have a diffuser, so I'm going to sit under the dryer to let my hair fully dry and then come back to you guys with the full finished results. But so far, like, I really love it. Like, I really love it. It's so cute. I really love the quality of this hair. Like, the curls are very soft and bouncy, and I just can't wait till it fully dries. Alrighty, this is my dryer. I honestly need to buy another dryer because it won't stay. Alrighty, my hair is fully dry and now I'm going to use a pick to fluff it out. I love natural looking wigs because I don't really know how to like perfect laces and stuff like that and like melt down laces. And I love beginner friendly wigs like this because all I did was literally just one, throw it on, but two, I also tinted the lace a little bit with makeup. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. And I'm shaking the wig, and as you guys can see, it's not going nowhere. It is not going nowhere. This wig is very stable. Okay, you guys have made it towards the ending of this video. I really thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much Beauty Forever for sponsoring this video. All of the details on this wig will be linked down below. So if you are looking to purchase this wig for yourself, I'll definitely have everything linked down below so you don't have to worry about anything. And if you guys have any further questions, definitely let me know and I will chat with you guys down below. Comment down below my next hairstyle that you guys think that I should try. As always, I just thank you so much for spending some time with me and being here. Don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Know that I love you, God loves you, and we're going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Ah, this